Hi folks, my name is Larry Cotnoir for Vermont Country Campers, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the 2013 Winnebago era van, model 70A, that we've just recently taken in trade. It has about 12,500 miles on it, and it is in really fine shape. This coach is about 24.5 feet long. And it has a real comfortable leatherette seating, and the seats swivel around. This one here has a backup camera, and it's an automatic. It's a 3.0 liter Mercedes-Benz diesel. Just before we get into the coach, I wanted to point out it has a nice awning on it, and it has some nice gray gold graphics also. As we're getting in, there's some storage on for all your incidentals here. TV swivels inside and out. We have an extension, give you a little more counter space. As we come into the coach, I'm going to point out it has an AM/FM CD stereo. Again, it has a lot of storage here. Storage here. This also has an extra sleeping area. This folds down. It's a jackknife. Moving back to the rear of the coach, we have more storage again. We have a 2-burner stove. We have a nice sink with hot and cold water. Microwave. Nice good size fridge for this size motorhome. Then it has a little ice box also. Moving back, I'm going to show you the bathroom area. Has a sink. It's called a wet bath. You actually sit on the toilet and take a shower. And it's nice and compact. You get all your hygiene done there. As we move back into the sleeping area, this makes into 2 twins, and then there's a piece that you can fill it in if you'd like to make it into like almost a queen plus king. Has another TV set back here. Has roller shades for privacy. Again, more storage for a small compact van. There's tons and tons of storage. Has AC, heat, also has a sports a king antenna. This one's a jack, Sherlock. And again, this is a 2013 Winnebago era with only 12,500 miles on it. Very clean, folks. I want to thank you for watching Vermont Country Camper TV. My name's Larry Cotnoir. If I can answer any questions for you, my phone number and the company's phone number is 888-223-9299. Thank you so much for watching.